In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a wired headphone to your PS5 Pro. Now, first things first, grab your controller, and then at the bottom, you should see a hole right next to it. So this is the hole I'm talking about. So this is where you'll insert your wired headphones. So grab your headphones, and then grab this headphone jack that comes with the headphones. And then all you have to do is insert it in this particular hole. Now, once you've inserted it, that will connect your wired headset. Now, another thing you need to do is go to the sound settings in your control in your PS5 Pro. So press the PS5 logo to access the control center, and then navigate to the sound setting. So select that, and then ensure that the output device has been set to headphones controller, or headphones into brackets controller. So that means your wired headset has been connected successfully. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.